Today we're changing the cabin air filter on our 2023 CR-V Sport Touring Hybrid. So let's get started. To get access to the cabin filter, we're going to open the glove box, remove the contents, and next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for this little strut that holds the glove box so it doesn't fall any further down. We're just going to basically push that back and it will snap off. You can kind of see in here, just kind of like clips onto this little nub. Next thing we need to do is we need to grip both sides of the glove box here and just kind of pull inward, releasing these two pieces where they notch in. Now the glove box falls a little further down, and now we can kind of push this direction from the side and detach the glove box completely. You can see it kind of, this is the hinge that locks in here and here. Move that out of the way. So now we have access to the door here, and on either side there are tabs that we will just pull towards the center, and it will allow us to release this door. Okay, pretty simple. Interesting. Let's pull it out. It's a little dirty. You can kind of see in the pleats here, you can see some debris. I've seen a lot worse, but it's definitely time to replace this. Interesting. So generally these would go in and you would put it in this side where you see the numbers, and you can see that the airflow is pointing down. Today we're going to use this HEPA filter made by Bosch. I will put a link to this in the description. This is going to filter smaller particles than the standard OEM filter. Here's our new filter. You can see over here it shows airflow direction again, and that is going to fit. So it's kind of interesting. Actually, this doesn't fit directly in this way, and it looks like it's the same footprint as the filter I removed. Looks like to fit this filter, which is the filter that Bosch says fits this car, has to go in sideways like that. So interesting. Let's put the door back on. It just snaps into place. Okay, I just need to get these hinges lined up. Push them in. Need to pull in the sides near the top so that these notches will clear the sides. Easy peasy. And lastly, we want to reconnect this little strut so we can pull it down, get it on our notch, and pull it towards us, locking it in. So that strut helps it just kind of lower slowly. And that's it, we're done. Hope you don't pay your dealer to do this. It only takes a few minutes and it'll save you a bunch of money. You don't have to use the HEPA filter, but if you have allergies like I do, it could help you out. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.